6-foot tall Western red cedar, postmasters, covered on both sides. It's got a 2x4 no climb wire on it. Previous install here that we just tore out was done with pressure treated pine. And the contractor was basically removed from the project, and we came back in and did all Western red cedar with postmasters. Good looking fence. Our client's gonna put some goats in there, hold his goats back. He's got another one up further up the hill there that we're also gonna replace. His goats are over there right now, but he's gonna move his goats into this area. They're gonna be happy. They're gonna be eating all that green stuff in there, I guarantee you, tonight. We'll finish this one up this evening.